Hello everyone. This is a quick video on how to get your code to go from the microbit coding environment right into your coding or right into your microbit, which is also known as flashing your code to the device or flashing your code to the microbit. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to give my project a title. So I'll call it Ryan Sample. Once I've called it Ryan Sample, I'm ready to download this and get it into my microbit. So the first thing you're going to do is once you've given it a name, you're going to click this download button right here. And what it does is it saves your code to either the Chromebook or to Google Drive. The way I have mine set up, it saves right to Google Drive. So once it's done, it tells you that you've kind of done this and you click done. Notice there was a pop-up here saying that you could have clicked on to show in Finder. And I'm going to actually click this again to show that. So right here, there's usually a pop-up that shows up and it says show in Finder right here. So, or show in folder. You can click that button right there. It's going to take you directly to your folder. And if you missed clicking on it, like I did earlier, and this window doesn't pop up, I'll show you another way to navigate to this in a second. So now I'm going to be looking in my file manager view or my the folder that this was saved in. Just be patient for a couple seconds if it takes a second to load, like I'm trying to be right now. And you'll notice that there's a file that's highlighted called microbit dash the title you just gave it. So I called it ryansample.hex, and it's going to be a .hex file. What you're going to do is you're going to drag this file and drop it right over here into your microbit. So I pick it up, I'm pressing down my mouse, I drag it over. You notice the fist looks closed, there's a little green plus sign, and that the microbit looks blue. I drop it in there. On my microbit, what starts to happen is it's flashing on the back, and I tell students usually that if it's blinking, it's thinking. So just let it blink and don't rush. You'll notice there's a progress bar right down here at the bottom. So now you get a warning because it gets disconnected. It says removal device detected. So the code has been flashed to the microbit. And as I sit here playing with my microbit, I can press the A button, have the heart show up, and my B button, have the ghost show up. And it's that easy to send code to your microbit. If you make a change to your code, let's say I want this button to be, let's get it to show a giraffe. And when it first starts up, I'm going to get it to say hello. So do that. And if I'm ready to get this code to go to my microbit again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click download. I click show in folder, and then I'm able to access my code. And then I'm going to be ready to go in a second to drag that code over into the microbit. So again, I'll just scroll down. There's my code or my hex file. I drag it in my microbit. It's ready to go. That's a video on how to move or flash code to your microbit. Hope it's been helpful. Take care. Goodbye.